Hello everyone, this is our air-cooled continuous laser cleaning machine. The power is 1.5 kilowatts. This machine is very suitable for the large metal structure rust removal. The maximum scanning width can reach 300 millimeters. The fiber optic cable is 10 meters. This is machine's laser cleaning head, weight about 600 grams, and this is the safety lock. Now let's see the real effect of this laser cleaning machine. Follow me, here are some rusted metal tools. We prepared this for you, and there is the aluminum pot. You can see there are some ash on the aluminum pot. Our operator will show you the cleaning effect. With simple operation, the laser cleaning machine can quickly and efficiently remove surface rust. It's suitable for rust removal of various industrial equipment.